Hello, in this video we'll be replacing the engine's air filter on the 2016 Toyota Corolla. This is our engine's air box, which houses the air filter that we'll be replacing. To get started, we want to slide out this wire loom. We'll have two clips that we want to unclip on both sides of the air box, one on the left and one on the right. To release this clip, all you gotta do is push the clip to the left and this one down. All that's holding this now is a hinge, and to separate it, all you gotta do is push towards the back and the hinge will separate. Lifting the airbox lid will allow us to remove the air filter. This air filter is being replaced for the first time at 30,000 miles, so you don't want to go more than this. As you can see, this filter is really dirty. This could give you really bad gas mileage. Here's a better look at our old filthy air filter. As you can see, it's pretty bad. And this is our new replacement air filter next to it. Our filter will come with 3 rounded corners and 1 squarish corner, which allows this air filter to only go in one way. As you can see, the square corner goes towards the bottom left of the airbox. To get this air lid back on, just slide the tabs back into the slots and push down. When back into position, just push up on this clip and to the right on this other. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It helps support the channel, and subscribe if you haven't done so.